Well, we're waking up to another sunny day for your Thursday, but we will have a few more clouds filtering in by the afternoon as our next system approaches. The balance of the day, though, looking really good. Temperatures near or just slightly below average, the high 54 degrees. Friday, completely different story. It's cold and it's wet all day long. Periods of rain, heavy at times. 1 to 2 inches could fall from Friday morning into early Saturday morning. We'll start Saturday shape. Center low pressures over portions of Kansas. You can see the swirl around that low pressure system with a heavy shield of precipitation to the north. And this is all going to be lifting north and eastward over the next couple of days. It's going to pull in a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico as well. We're talking a lot of rain over an extended period of time. So it's not a quick hitting system for us on Friday. This is 12 to 18 hours of steady to moderate to heavy rain all day Friday and even possibly into early Saturday. Right now, though, it's beautiful. 60 at the airport, 54 at the shore, 44 in the Poconos. So it all depends on where you are. Location, location, location today. Warmest in the city. And we actually had a nice day, about 5 degrees above average. Added a day in the red to the calendar. But it looks like the last 2 days of March may fall below average. And it looks like March will end up about a degree or so below average. First time that's happened since last May. It's been a very long stretch of above average months, but doesn't look like this one will follow suit. Here's our next storm. Just showed it to you. See how it lifts to the north and east. Actually going to see some pretty steady snow over portions of New England. Not for us. This is all rain, but notice this is heavy at times, and watch how much precipitation is involved with this storm. It's a very slow mover, and it's going to last periods of rain all day Friday. Rain will be heavy at times. We'll have to watch for ponding on the road, some poor drainage flooding around the area. Gradual clearing Saturday. Saturday morning looks a little gloomy. Clouds, possibly a few showers here and there. For those participating maybe in the hot chocolate run here in Philadelphia, it could be a bit soggy Saturday morning, but it will improve. So overnight, chilly at 36 degrees. Tomorrow's mostly sunny, cool and pleasant. High clouds start to drift in the afternoon, and then Friday with all that rain, looks like it's going to stay cool. The high only 49 degrees. Saturday, a morning shower, then some gradual clearing in the afternoon out there. Not too bad right now, but through the overnight hours, we'll see temps drop into the 30s in some spots. It's 49 right now in the city, 42 up in Allentown, and 32 for folks in the Pocono region. Now that's one area that may have to worry about some freezing rain or a wintry mix tomorrow night into Friday morning as that next storm approaches. The rest of us, this is just rain. As far as our March calendar is concerned, we're seeing that back and forth continuing. We have a few days above average, a few days below. And this week we've been back and forth, up and down every day. Today on the upside, 5 degrees above average with highs in the low 60s. But here is our next storm. It's a large, potent storm. Notice it's lifting in from the south, which means it's bringing in a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. Has a very large precipitation shield, and it's not moving very quickly. So this is going to be a long duration event for us through the entire day Friday, really, and possibly even hanging around for your Saturday morning. As far as tonight is concerned, skies are clear. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, but notice a few clouds are going to start to drift in. Wouldn't be surprised if it does turn a little cloudy by mid-afternoon. And then the sun breaking out here and there again. But tomorrow night, we'll start to see that first batch of showers move through. This is even this time tomorrow night, we could see a couple of showers moving in. This is just kind of the precursor to the main event. It's really all day Friday that this heavy rain will be impacting us, and heavy snow, by the way, for interior New England. 10 a.m. again. The heaviest rain still off to the west, but all day after that, from 2, 3, 4 o'clock, we see some very heavy downpours. You can see the yellow shading right here over Philadelphia. Friday evening commute looks like a rough one with ponding on the roadways. This continues even into around 11 o'clock Friday night before we finally start to see the storm wrap up and get out of here. Saturday starts with clouds, possibly a shower, and then the clouds do start to break up a bit. By Saturday afternoon, we may see some sun to finish out the day. We're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain. This particular run of this model even has some 2+ inch amounts. That's over the course of 12 to 18 hours. So we're not talking about flash flooding really with this, but we will be talking about some ponding and some poor drainage flooding as 1 to 2 inches plus falls over 18 hours. Slow commutes on Friday, especially that Friday afternoon drive.
Okay, that's our forecast on this hump day.
Yeah, and today was a beautiful day. 60s, sunshine. You can't ask for much more than that, except you could ask for maybe a stretch of 3 or 4 of those kind of days in a row.
Yes.
That's something we don't have, unfortunately, even in the...
Okay, all right.
With the good with the bad.
Okay.
That's the...
See some 60s in there, though.
Yes.
Take it away. All right.